Here I have Xiaomi Mi 5 and let me show you how to open the hardware test on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to use the phone's dialer. Let me open the phone icon in that corner, and now let me use the following secret code. The star hash 64663 #*. As you may see, the hardware test just pops up. Here we can test some features from the following device. For example, you can use the speaker calibration test. You can choose pass or fail. You may check version info. If everything is alright, let's choose pass. This is the SIM detection. Let me choose pass or fail. Here we have the results. For example, you may test also the vibration, the short vibration and the long one. Let me choose pass. The microphone receiver, the simulation call test, the front microphone speaker, and other stuff. As you can see here, we've got the results. You can also choose more key in that corner and open the additional tools. Here we can perform some ready tests such as get logs, NFC test, Bluetooth test, Wi-Fi test and modem test. Let's go back a couple of times just to close this mode. And when you exit, all rated text data will be erased, so the result of the following test will be clear. Let me tap OK. And now you may go back and start using your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.